What if I told you there's an NVR that supports 64 channels, offers 128 terabytes of RAID-protected storage, and has AI built right in? Sounds unreal? This is the one video you absolutely can't miss. Get ready to discover the power of ACTi ZNR-429, the high-spec, high-value NVR that's redefining physical security for airports, factories, and parking lots. First, let's talk about the backbone of ACTi ZNR-429, its support for 64 channels. This powerhouse comes with 64 channel licenses bundled for free. No hidden costs, no need to buy extra licenses, it's all included. It supports live view layouts of up to 64 cameras simultaneously, each up to 32 MP resolution. Whether you're managing airport control rooms, factory floor surveillance, or large parking lots, this NVR handles massive visual data without breaking a sweat. It's the kind of scalability and clarity that changes how teams monitor and respond. Next, let's look at the built-in hardware RAID. With support for RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, and 10, and a maximum capacity of 128 terabytes, 16 terabytes x8 bays, ACTi ZNR-429 ensures your recordings are safe from disk failures. That's critical for factories with long retention periods, airports with regulatory requirements, or parking lots that need reliable data for license plate tracking. Hardware RAID means performance and data protection without the overhead of software-based alternatives. Third, AI capabilities take center stage. Whether from AI-embedded cameras or ONVIF-compatible ones, ACTi ZNR-429 collects events and metadata related to people and vehicle detection, behavior analysis, line crossing, loitering, and more. This is a game-changer in airport security zones, factory gates, or vehicle tracking in parking facilities. The system acts before your team even sees the threat, proactive, smart, and efficient. Fourth, the AI-powered search and playback functions are nothing short of amazing. From smart search using ROI zones to forensic and metadata search filtering by attributes like clothing color, vehicle brand, gender, or age, this NVR makes post-event investigation fast and easy. Security staff can even time-track objects and verify results through thumbnails. Whether you're managing an airport, a factory floor, or a high-traffic parking area, this tool is your evidence powerhouse. Fifth, this NVR does more than just video. Through built-in DIO ports, it connects to fire alarms, burglary sensors, and IoT devices, triggering actions based on real-world events. That means smart reactions to incidents at factory hazard zones, alert-driven recording in airports, or automated deterrence in parking lots. Everything integrates into one responsive system. Lastly, full remote control is in your hands. ACTi ZNR-429 supports PTC camera control via keyboard and enables two-way communication with IP speakers. A security guard at a gate, a parking operator at a booth, or a factory supervisor can instantly interact with on-site personnel, improving safety, reducing misunderstandings, and enhancing overall security operations. Why choose ACTi ZNR-429 over others like Hikvision or Dahua? It's simple, you get all the high-end specs, AI, RAID, 64 channels, at a price that matches or beats those big names. You're not just getting a recorder, you're getting an all-in-one smart surveillance platform. ACTi ZNR-429 delivers power, performance, and price advantage in one unbeatable package. For system integrators and end users alike, this is the future-ready investment. Still thinking about your next NVR upgrade? Don't fall behind. Reach out to the ACTi team today and discover how ZNR-429 can transform your security infrastructure for airports, factories, parking lots, and beyond. The future of smart surveillance starts now.